Hi and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm not in my kitchen, and if you had seen my last week's video, you'll know I am in Thailand on an island called Kood on Soneva Kiri, and I'm in a restaurant Tuk where Chef Fan has kindly agreed to show us a couple of amazing dishes. So we've already done chicken red Thai curry, but today we are doing Tom Yum Goon, and we are doing a prawn version with the prawns, and she's also going to tell us if we want to do other variations. So hope you will enjoy this episode. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you so much, Chef. Kapun ka.
For ingredient for Tom Yum Goong, we have garanga, lemon curd, kaffir ram leaf, red onion, tomato, and ram juice, and chili, some mushroom, and this Thai parsley. Yes.
So any mushroom?
Any mushroom can put, yes. And we have seasoning with fish sauce and lamb juice.
And?
Lamb juice, that's it.
Lime juice.
ดีคัดเลมอนการ์ดการังกา Okay, we put the ingredient kalanga, kaffir ram leaf, and shallot, and lemon curd first, and put mushroom, yes, and the next put shrimp,
So just boil this.
yes, and this we use vegetable stock or chicken stock can.
What is this?
This chicken stock,
Chicken stock.
yeah. And this can do
Yes.
vegetarian tom yum also put only mushroom, but seasoning with soy sauce or salt. You like spicy or not spicy?
Medium.
Medium spicy. Yeah. Medium spicy, I can put half.
Okay. Are these mushrooms local? Mushroom grow on the island?
Yes. Last time in the resort have also, but now finished already. We go in the near the kitchen have a mushroom hut.
Oh, in the fishing village.
Yes.
Near the kitchen.
Near the kitchen, main kitchen have a mushroom hut. We go that side.
Oh,
Yes.
I haven't seen it.
Our tom kha also is ingredient is the same, but change stock to coconut milk.
Oh, and that is tom kha.
Yes, we do ต้มข่าไก่ต้มข่าทะเล same like this, but no have in recipe and give to you one more.
No, this is enough. But I just nice to know that
Yes,
you can make tom kha.
when you do ต้มข่า can change just stock.
Okay, to coconut milk.
Yes, and the next put some corn. Put fish sauce.
Can you tell me the name of that again?
Thai parsley.
Thai parsley. Yes. If we can't find Thai parsley, can we add something?
Coriander.
Coriander,
Yes. And this finish turn off the gas and put kaffir ram the last one.
Okay. A lot of lime juice.
Yes.
Wow. Oh, so good. It's like a throat cleanser already. is that it?
Ready.
Ready, wow.
This you can do tom yum chicken also.
Okay.
Tom yum chicken, seafood or fish is same.
But with the chicken, would you use thighs with the bones like you used in the curry?
Yes, chicken Thai. Because chicken breast is very hard.
Okay, it's time to sit down and enjoy this sensational, amazing, refreshing. I'm lost for words. Well, I've used all of them actually. Tom Yam Goon. I had a little taster, so now it's time to dig in and have this amazing soup. It's time to try this soup and hope you got the tips from chef about how to make it vegetarian, how to make it with chicken. It's been amazing watching her make it like in a split second. It's spicy, it's clearing my throat, but at the same time it's so refreshing. It's really a lot of sensations in one dish, and these prawns here are just I know we get prawns in the UK that are from, UK, the local prawns there, but here they are like, in Hindi I can say like malai, like creamy, just so good. I thought while I'm here I'll get chef to show you something. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts, whether you liked this. This is the first time I've gone. Actually, I have traveled a little bit and shown some recipes from different chefs before. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Bye for now.